Duct design is a crucial part of HVAC systems, as it ensures conditioned air reaches all parts of a building efficiently. Here's a breakdown of the key factors involved in duct design for HVAC systems. 1. Determining system requirements. The first step involves calculating the heating and cooling loads for each conditioned space. This helps determine the required airflow, CFM, cubic feet per minute, for each area. Software programs are commonly used for these calculations, but HVAC professionals can also perform them manually. 2. Duct sizing and layout. Once the airflow requirements are established, ducts are sized to deliver the required amount of air with minimal pressure loss. Round ducts are generally preferred for their lower pressure drop compared to rectangular ducts, however rectangular ducts can be more practical for fitting into tight spaces. 3. Minimize pressure losses. Friction and turbulence within the ductwork reduce air pressure. To minimize pressure losses, the following practices are recommended. Sizing ducts appropriately. Avoid undersized ducts that increase air velocity and friction losses. Oversized ducts, while decreasing velocity, can also be inefficient due to increased surface area for heat transfer. Using smooth duct materials, galvanized steel is a common choice due to its durability, but fiberglass and line ducts offer lower friction. Minimizing fittings, bends, elbows, and transitions in the ductwork create turbulence and pressure drops. Using smooth, long radius elbows instead of sharp turns can significantly reduce these losses. Sealing leaks. Leakage in the ductwork allows conditioned air to escape and reduces system efficiency. Proper sealing of joints and connections is crucial. 4. Insulation. Ducts passing through unconditioned spaces like attics or crawl spaces require insulation to minimize heat gain or loss. This reduces energy consumption and maintains conditioned air temperature. 5. Noise control. Airflow noise can be a concern, especially in residential buildings. Duct sizing, careful layout to avoid high-velocity sections, and incorporating silencers in specific locations can help mitigate noise issues. Additional considerations. Accessibility. Ductwork should be designed for easy access for maintenance and cleaning. Condensate drainage. Supply ducts carrying cool air may develop condensation in humid environments. The design should incorporate proper drainage to prevent moisture buildup and mold growth. Duct design for HVAC systems is a complex process that requires consideration of various factors to ensure efficient and effective climate control. Consulting with a qualified HVAC professional is recommended to design a duct system that meets your specific requirements. Thanks for listening. Please check description for much more.